Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to connect a payment link on Instamojo with ConvertKit using Zapier. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect ConvertKit with Instamojo. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both ConvertKit and Instamojo from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. Here you need to add a trigger event for the payment. To connect your ConvertKit account, click on the Sign In button. You'll need to input your API key here. To find this key, go to your ConvertKit account, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, simply click Yes, connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Now repeat this process to log into your Instamojo account by entering your email and password. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.